everyone, Jin here from Million Automations. So right now I am going to walk you through on how to create a social media automation using Social Planner and Million Automations. So automating your social media post can really save your time and enhance engagement with your audience. So right now, let's start. First and foremost, I would like to let you know that we are going to use chat gpt to generate a content for us. So we should inform chat gpt to create 30 days post content for million automations without photos. I am going to input without photos since I am not using a premium chat gpt right now. But if you are using a premium chat gpt, yeah, you can have lots of pictures and chat gpt will be going to do that for you. So the next one is you should create a company name. I mean, you should input the company name, the owner, the phone number, the email, website link, and the location. But importantly, we should really, we should put the services on our business. So, automations services, this is it. So we are the services of Million Automations is auto email campaign, build relationship, educate audience, drive website traffic, and many more. So after you put your services, you can click this one, and yeah, we already have the 30 days post for Million Automations. So yeah, this is perfect. For the day one, we already have day two. Okay, let's wait. So yeah, we already have a 30 days engaging social media post for million automations. So we can copy this one. Let me quickly copy and paste this. Okay. Okay. Um So yeah, I have it here and it's already paste on my docs, Google Docs. So right now, after that, okay, mhm, let me. So yeah, since we already have a 30 days engaging post for million automation, we are now going to create a picture for this one so that we can post it on Facebook or on Instagram. So as what I have said earlier, you can ask ChatGPT to create a photo for this one, just like this. Let me walk you through on how to do this one. Create a picture for this one. And yeah, ChatGPT is generating a photo for us for this content. Yeah, this is perfect. And you can also ask ChatGPT to change that one. Change the picture. And yeah, here it goes. ChatGPT is creating another picture for us. So I am not going to use ChatGPT to create a pictures because I don't have a premium account on ChatGPT. But yeah, soon I will be going to definitely subscribe on ChatGPT so that we can just easily get pictures for our content. So, yeah, we can use this one to post on this one. But what I am going to do is I'll go to Canva, and actually I already have a um template on this one, wherein um I can just change the content, the text. So this is what I'm doing. So I can change this one and what you would like to put in here. However, I'll be going to walk you through in how to create a content or a template, or I mean a picture um for this. So you can just search on Canva, and yeah, we have this. We can use this one. Just click it and click customize this template. So this is perfect. You can follow us. We can put visit our website and put the what do we call this one? Put the link in here. The website link www.millionautomations.com. So since it is too big, we can just adjust this one. Yeah, this is perfect. You can put this below. You can also change the color of this theme. Since this is the color that we have on Million Automation, it's orange and gold. You can also change the picture. So for Million Automation, we use this robot. You can just remove the background and copy this one. So this, if you would like to delete that here, you can put it here. Yeah, yeah. You can also change this. Grow your business with this. You have tons of fonts in here. Yeah, I think I would like to use this one. No, it won't change. But yes, yeah, this is great. This is great for me. So you can just save this and download. Let's wait until this will download. Okay, then save. So since we already have one picture um for our content, we can choose tons of templates in here on Canva, and it'll save some time. So yeah, you can just use that one. For me, I have 17 items templates that I've used to post on social media. So yeah, let me just walk you through on how to post this one on our Go High level. So since we already have content and picture, go to your Go High level and log in. But before we can post, let's make sure that our social media or our um Facebook and Instagram is already integrated. So just go to settings, this one, go to settings and go to integrations. So yeah, my social media is already connected. So you can just connect that one and make sure that your social media is plugged into your computer. So since our social media has been integrated, let's go to marketing. So yeah, I already have a scheduled post here for million automation, but I will still be going to walk you through on how to do this one. Just click new post, click social planner templates, and here we go. We have tons of templates that we can use. So for me, I'll go and use this one. Hmm, yeah, so in templates, it shows here that we can only post 25 pictures or 25 contents. But yeah, that no worry, because you can still create another template for the five content to post on social media. So just click continue. Let's wait until this will add up. So yeah, we already have the template that we choose earlier. So this one, that says that it's in review, but we can just click this and select the social that we want. So this one, going to create. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I want to post this on 8 a.m. to, oh, okay, wait, on 8 a.m. up until 8:30 a.m. Schedule, and now it's pending. Let's just wait. So since it is still in progress, let's just wait until it will be completed. So yeah, it is already in review. So let's click this one, review and schedule, and you will be redirected to this, wherein you can now input the content that you have. So just click, oh wait a moment. Okay, and review, and click this one so that we can edit it out, remove this, and let's put the day one that we have. So day one, did you know 80% of sales require 5 follow-ups, etc. And we can delete the image and click image here, upload a file, and let's go to the image that we have created earlier. So this one, this is what I created earlier. Just double click, and yeah, here we go. We already have a day one to post on social media. So after that, you can just, oh wait a moment, you can just save the edits. Oh, sorry, I need to do it again. I wasn't able to save that one. Okay, delete and double click. So yeah, save, and sure, we already have a day one. You can edit out the day two. Okay, let me get the day two and delete the picture. So since I already have templates that I've used, I mean I've created. Yeah, let's use this one. Double click, and here we go. We already have a day two. Save, just save. So yeah. So after you edit this all, just go to next and edit this all. Just import the post, and yeah, here we go, and we're good to go. Our social media content has been already scheduled. So thanks.